affiliate sign up page. This is where new prospective affiliates are going to land as they learn about your affiliate program and consider getting signed up. So what we're giving them, basically a nice little opt-in page. It is customizable, so you can put in your own welcome message, your own, get it on your own domain, company colors, logos, all that good stuff. Customizable as well if you want to collect additional information up front. And then as we get affiliates to get signed up here to join your program, they are then passed through to their affiliate dashboard. And by the way, this is assuming you have auto approval on. If you would like to approve your affiliates specifically each time before they are granted access to your program, totally possible to do that. So from the regardless of what you got to set up, when the affiliate is granted access, they land on their dashboard. They do have access to a few things. So we've got an affiliate code. We've got a nice referral link. So this is a direct link to your website, which is nice, different from many what you may see in other affiliate tracking programs. So we do have a direct link to your site that is tracked, and this is going to help you out from a search engine optimization standpoint. These will count as inbound links to your site, and you will get credit from Google and the overlords of the internet for getting these inbound links pointing your way. We also have social media shortcuts, and these are also particular conveniences that are going to make your affiliates that much more likely to share. So for example, to share on Facebook, we simply hit the Facebook button. That logs us in. It tees up a post here. With an additional click, we can share this with our Facebook friends and followers. They in turn will see this post come through their Facebook feeds, and as these folks click through or tap through the post, credit will go to the affiliate who shared it. Same idea on Twitter. So we got a tweet that's pre-written, preloaded, ready to go. Really convenient. They hit the tweet button, logs them into Twitter, tees up this tweet, and then, like it says, with an additional click, they can share this with their Twitter followers, who will in turn see it come through their tweet streams. And then as these folks click through or tap through the tweet, credit goes to the affiliate who shared it here. See, over on the right side, we've got Instagram sharing. We also have text message and WhatsApp sharing available from the mobile phone. Those are going to pop up either if you view the affiliate dashboard from your mobile phone, or if you take advantage of our mobile apps. So we do have apps available for both Android and for iPhone devices. And the way that these work is that your affiliates can download these apps directly to their phones. They input their email address. We will recognize them as members of your affiliate program, and you basically put their entire dashboard directly onto their phone. So nice ways that affiliates can do some sharing when they're staring at their phones, which basically everyone does in all their downtime these days. So nice ways for them to be able to use that time productively. Progress is basically their sales funnel. So this is updated in real time, the number of visitors, leads, and purchases that they have sent your way. And then commission payments in the bottom line down here, also updated in real time. Our marketing materials section has things such as banner ads and infographics, so you can have affiliates copy and paste the HTML within here. This will get them the artwork as well as their affiliate link embedded. So if they have extra space on their website, they can pop your banners in there. And then again, they'll get credit for anyone who clicks through these and ends up on your site. Finally, have an archive of, of affiliate newsletters here. Here is what one looks like. This is one that I sent out a few months back, following a familiar pattern, letting affiliates know that affiliate commissions were going out the door, so giving them the way that they can view that, which is always getting back to the affiliate dashboard. That's where we have all this nice social media sharing available from all those nice one-click buttons. Let's go ahead and transition into Lead Dynamo. Oh, I do have a question I can get to now. So the second was, do we have a ranking system I can use to create a contest, post the results in real time, encourage some friendly competition? We have kind of the starts of that, probably not as sophisticated as what you are looking for, but we do have an affiliate. We got a couple things that I'll walk you through. Affiliate analytics section lets affiliates see how they themselves are doing, and they can search for a particular time frame. You can also do this from within Lead Dynamo itself and include the results in the newsletter. So we do have folks that do this, it's not a plug and play currently, but that is something that is being looked at, and these types of suggestions are good. If you hit the suggestions tab, lower left corner, things that we do like to stay on top of. So if you have a specific type of ranking system, we would love to hear. That's kind of how we sort our feature requests, by looking at not only the submissions, but then also the votes that we have per each feature. Good question. Let me take you into our content section now. I'm going to show you how to set up that affiliate website. Click the blue button. This is how we can customize the affiliate website that I walked you through at the outset. So this is how you can go with our mobile friendly. You probably will go with our mobile friendly version. Select your color scheme. At the bottom here, you can see you can get the affiliate website. By default, it is leaddino.leaddino.com or yourdomain.leaddino.com, but you can get this on your own website using our custom domain feature if you would like. Everything throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all customizable here as well. So as easy as updating the text, you can also insert images and links. You can update the HTML directly if you would like to do that. We do support custom CSS, so if you want to further style the page to your heart's content, you can do that. If you want to have your affiliates opt into a terms of service agreement upfront, possible to do that as well. Also in the content area, the Facebook post, the tweet that I showed you, here's where you can pre-write that. So again, getting our affiliates off to a nice head start. In my experience, I think if you can get them going with something like this, they're just going to be that much more likely to share your link. The more convenient you can make it for them, the more likely they are, the more often that they're going to go ahead and share this type of stuff. We also, the tweet, so all that good stuff is located in here. Affiliate newsletter. So these are, I showed you what this looked like from the affiliate standpoint, both in the dashboard and in the email inbox. These are nice ways to engage your affiliates. I also have some templates in here now. I was sharing these with our users so often that it just made sense to get these in here. So if you're interested in using some of my swipe files, these are now available under the templates. They're evergreen, so if you want to just make any tweaks to the newsletters you'd like, sign your name to it. Program update's a good one. What we're doing here is this is just a format I found to work well in terms of our affiliate newsletters. I let folks know when money's going out the door. It's always a great way to get their attention. Talk about the dashboard, get a link back to the dashboard so they can share their link. If we have some stuff that's new, I let them know about that as well so that they can get excited along with us and then get out there and start sharing this stuff onto social media. Automated affiliate emails. These are nice because these will go out based on certain events. You don't sit there and send these individually. So these are near and dear to my heart because they will fire off automatically from the system. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up, we can send them a welcome email that looks like this. It has their affiliate link. It has a link to their affiliate dashboard. So it's really got everything that they need to get up and running here. We can also let them know how they did for the week, so the number of visitors, leads, and purchases that they got credit for. And we can even let folks know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase if we would like by doing that via these automated emails as well. All right, let's go ahead. We will do affiliate recruitment. I'll get any questions. I've got a couple integrations questions, one on Salesforce, one on Shopify. So I will get to those as well in a couple of minutes here. Let's talk affiliate recruitment. So from our tools area, I also have an affiliate invitation email. This is a nice way to grow your program organically. So good way to get a 2-for-1. You got a new customer. We want to see if we can turn that person into a new affiliate of yours at the same time. Not much you need to do beyond enabling this email. You can sign your name to it in the body. You'll be off and running. And again, what we're doing here is just letting folks know as they buy from you about your affiliate program. We'll send them to your landing page so they can get signed up. It's a nice driver, nice way to constantly recruit affiliates. If I look and see how we did in the last day last week, we're always kind of humming along about the same. So we usually get about 2, 3, 4 a day. It adds up 19 in the last week, and then you can see over time over 2,200 affiliates in our program. So that's a nice way to do it, is by just constantly recruiting people within your network. We also have areas that you can tap outside perhaps of your current sphere of influence. So we have an affiliate network that you can get to just by hitting the network tab, lower left corner, redirects you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com. If you do it from within Lead Dino, we'll pop up a wizard where you can talk about your program, talk about your product, and we will then get you listed in our affiliate directory. That'll look like this. We can even have your affiliates leave your reviews if you would like. Folks can apply to join. And if you've got auto access on, they'll be passed along your dashboard and they'll be off and running. Otherwise, you'll get an email that so-and-so applied to join your affiliate program. So nice driver of new affiliates. And then we also can get you featured in newsletters that we have going out. So we send out 5 per week. We feature 5 different affiliate programs in each newsletter. So we've got 21 different product categories. I'm sure we have a niche to feature your product. So if you're interested in doing this, let me know. I can actually work with you directly in terms of getting this stuff set up. Finally, let me transition to Q&A. I will remind you or let you know that we do one-on-one phone calls as well. So let me get you this link before I forget and start yapping about the questions. Okay, I had two questions come in, one on Shopify integration, one on our Salesforce integration. Let me take you through each one. For our Shopify integration, pretty easy, apps.shopify.com will get you here. And then you hit the Get button in the upper right corner. This will install our Shopify app on your store. Basically, one click does it all. Get you everything that I just walked you through on the affiliate dashboard side of things. For a Salesforce integration, question is, how deep is our integration? It's not the deepest. It's more of a surface level thing where we do pass in the leads going into Salesforce. So the way to set that up is going to be from within LeadDyno itself under integrations. And again, you may have seen this already. Where are we at? We're under CRM. So here's how you can connect it up with your Salesforce account. Basically what we're doing is when a lead is created in LeadDyno, we're going to push it into Salesforce itself. But not a lot going on the two-way side of things. So if you have specific questions on that, let me know. We can connect you with a support person or with one of our Salesforce engineers who can let you know what's going on the two-way side of things. But I think I also do have a document on that one as well. Let me see if I can get you that link. I thought we had one in here, but it might not be under the integration guide. So yeah, if you have follow-up questions on that, I can help connect you up with someone who can give you additional info. For other contact question, anything on your mind as well, phone, email, live chat. We got live chat going 7 days a week, and it actually goes 24 hours a day during the work week. So lots of ways to get a hold of us. You'll also see live chat within the LeadDyno app itself, so lower right if you want to get a question going there. Otherwise, phone, email, info. So let us know if you have additional questions, and otherwise, I thank you for joining. So I hope it was helpful today. Stay in touch. Let us know how your affiliate program goes for you, and if there's anything that I can specifically help you out with, Brett, B-R-E-T-T, at LeadDyno.com. Will go back to me. So let me know if we can help with anything. We can help get you featured, help with the integration setup, so on and so forth. Otherwise, have a great rest of your Monday and have a great week ahead. And, sorry, maybe one more question. Okay, integrating the payment gateways that aren't mentioned to use a JavaScript on the thank you page. Yeah, so the way to do, I guess you got a couple of options there. You would do our API for our purchase tracking. We also have a REST API. So if I give you installing LeadDyno, adding purchase tracking. Yeah, so if you had the purchase tracking here, this would be the way to do it for gateways that aren't mentioned on the integration side of things. If you have a specific gateway, let me know, and I can let you know if we have one, but let me get you this doc here for the purchase tracking. So basically, yeah, this would be the way to do ones that we do not have a current integration with. All right, cool. So again, let me know how we can help going forward. Otherwise, have a great rest of your Monday evening, everyone. Have a great week ahead, and I hope to hear from you soon.